pressure. Keisei gets a little bit of space, and that one is in. Money, and he's fouled. He's going to head to the line for the 4-point play, and you can see, look how fired up.
This is incredible. He's inside the logo. His heels are inside the center circle when he's taking that shot.
Keisei on the drive. Oh my! Keisei Tominaga, and look at the red zone over there going nuts.
Tominaga wants another one. You can't miss.
To the top 15 nationally. Turnover.
Here's
Keisei. Pulls it up.
Logo K in the building.
Texas had a more difficult time of rotating. Well executed by BC. Tominaga for the lead. Yes.
Trying to close out on Tominaga. And his momentum carries him in to Keisei.
No good. Denham Dawson flying for the offensive rebound, and there. Don't give him 2 looks at it.
Right back in. Florida State's going to switch everything, so they're not going to let you run your set, your offense. You just got to spread them out, make threes, and share the basketball. Tominaga for 3. 6-3 field goals made for the Cardinals. Really impressed with Tominaga, not just this late with his left, but
He's not just a 3-point shooter, is he?
Hey, Jessica, great minds think alike, because I literally was just...
There's Tominaga, the 3-pointer and 1. That's a fan favorite. Keisei Tominaga. Tominaga on top for 3. 5 quick play. Gotta respect him beyond the 3-point line.
This starts with Blaze Cannon just want to get an offensive rebound, double team. Look at Tominaga. He makes himself available.
Beat his shoulder as he made the turn.
Breeze has been a little quiet. You talked about before we got going, you'd like to see him going. But speaking of getting going, how about Keisei Tominaga?
Keisei.
Here comes Tominaga. Transition for D. Nebraska's momentum going. Tominaga attacks. He's so lefty around the rim.
で何もそのすごいシュートではなかったんですけど、タイミングその日本でこうやって久しぶりにプレーしてやっぱ初めてのスリーポイントであったりとか、そういうところで一番そのなんていうの印象的なプレーでした。そうですね、本当に久しぶりのこの日本での試合でもうこの素晴らしいその浜松のファンの皆様の前でこうやってプレーできてすごく光栄でした。